Imagine revving up at a stoplight or blasting down a winding road in a machine that embodies pure American muscle reborn for the modern era. Heads snap around, engines roar in envy, and adrenaline surges through your veins. This isn't just another pony car. This is the 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse, the most ferocious, track-ready, and exhilarating Mustang ever unleashed. Today we're plunging into its menacing exterior, cockpit-like interior, and heart-pounding performance that dominates streets and circuits alike. Stay locked in because this beast is redefining what a muscle car can be. Start with the exterior, where aggression meets precision engineering. The Dark Horse commands attention with its blacked-out sinister styling, featuring a unique gloss black grille, hooded headlamps, and exclusive Dark Horse badging that screams dominance. Sharp lines flow from the sculpted hood with functional vents to the widened fenders housing massive wheels up to 19 inches in tarnished dark aluminum, wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires for unrelenting grip. A fixed rear wing, diffuser, and quad exhaust tips amplify the rear stance while enhancing downforce and that iconic growl. Paint options like the exclusive Blue Ember Metallic or Shadow Black make it look ready to pounce, with optional hood graphics and painted racing stripes adding even more menace. Aerodynamic elements including a front splitter and side skirts aren't just for show, they slice through air for better stability at triple-digit speeds. Every curve and edge is honed for the track yet street-legal, making lesser sports cars fade in the mirrors. It's bold, intimidating, and unapologetically Mustang, turning every drive into a spectacle. Slide inside and you're enveloped in a driver-centric cockpit built for focus and thrill. Premium materials dominate with Recaro sport seats available in micro-suede or leather, hugging you through corners with deep bolsters and blue accents exclusive to Dark Horse. The flat bottom steering wheel wrapped in suede feels perfect in your hands while the anodized blue shift knob adds a tactile premium touch. A massive curved glass display spans the dash, combining a customizable 13.2-inch touchscreen with a 12.4-inch digital cluster that can mimic classic Fox body gauges for nostalgic vibes. Ambient lighting, aluminum pedals, and carbon fiber accents elevate the race-inspired feel without sacrificing comfort. Heated and ventilated seats keep you planted, Bang & Olufsen audio immerses you in sound, and wireless connectivity ensures seamless control. Rear seats offer surprising space for a coupe, with clever storage throughout. It's modern luxury meets motorsport heritage, quiet on cruises yet explosive when you demand it, a place where technology enhances the raw driving experience. Now the real magic, performance that obliterates expectations. At the core beats the Gen 4 5.0-liter Coyote V8, specially tuned to deliver 500 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque, the most powerful naturally aspirated 5.0L Ford has ever built. Paired standard with a Tremec 6-speed manual for precise shifts or optional 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters, it launches from 0 to 60 in as little as 3.7 seconds with the auto or 4.1 with manual, leaving supercars scrambling. MagneRide damping, Brembo brakes, and a Torsen limited slip differential provide razor-sharp handling, while the electronic drift brake lets you slide with control like a pro. Multiple drive modes tailor response from normal to track, with auxiliary coolers keeping it composed during hot laps. Top speed pushes beyond 160 miles per hour, and the active exhaust roars from subtle to savage. It's not just fast, it's balanced, forgiving yet ferocious, engineered to conquer canyons or circuits without breaking a sweat. The 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse isn't merely a car, it's an adrenaline machine that honors 6 decades of Mustang legend while charging into the future. It blends brutal power, stunning